Tour A everyone, no Tour C, no Tour B, no Tour D, only Tour A. Okay, so Tour A we have 5 destination or 5 stop. So we need to divide our time. Okay, every destination, don't worry, we give you 30, 40 to 50 minutes only because we have 5 destination. Okay, so our first stop will be Big Lagoon. So from here to go Big Lagoon, we're gonna be travel only 40 to 30 minutes only. Then our second one is Secret Lagoon. So ma'am and sir, about Secret Lagoon, I'll just remind you, I'm not sure if possible to going Secret Lagoon, okay? Because Secret Lagoon, it's part of open sea. So later there sometimes big wave, too much current, the wind, okay? If not possible, don't worry, we're going to another island. So snorkeling, good for snorkeling. But if possible, we're going there. Okay, then the third one, it's good for snorkeling, Advins Island or South Minilog. Okay, good for snorkeling. And also our first stop will be Semiso Island. Semiso, it's good for lunch. And also good for snorkeling. Good corals there if you want some snorkeling there. And also our last stop will be Seven Commando. Seven Commando behind this rock. So Seven Commando, it's not far from El Nido town. And also Seven Commando part of mainland tour. Okay? So ma'am and sir, about El Nido also, El Nido it's protected area, so we have some rules. First one, don't throw any kind of garbage on the water. Okay? If you have a garbage, we have rubbish bin here, or leave your garbage on the boat. Okay? Second one, if you're doing snorkeling or swimming, don't step the corals because later there's a sea urchin. Okay? So if you step on the corals or rocks, you should put your shoes. Okay? So and also ma'am and sir, don't collect any kind of shells, sand, rock, or souvenir. If you collect that, you will be traffic in airport Puerto Princesa, or maybe you're gonna be penalty only 200 to 500,000. Okay? So don't collect any kind of shells. Okay, that's it guys. The other information I tell you in our first destination. So thank you so much for listening. Don't forget ecotourism saying, take nothing but picture, leave nothing but footprint, kill nothing but time, and bring nothing but memories. Okay? And also some smokers. Don't be shy guys, I smoke also. Okay? So ma'am, sir, smoke is not allowed on Big Lagoon, especially Big Lagoon. Okay? And also the other island. So if you want some smoke, you can take smoke here on the road. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day. Enjoy your tour.